YouTube. So Zilliqa is an OG. It's an OG kind of a coin. It's been around since a very long time. Yeah, since a very long time. Okay, at least I've known Ziliqa now since about 4 years now. At least I think. So it's an OG coin, and it's a coin that's, by trading it, you can actually make some quick bucks from it. All right, and the price structure, the price pattern, the price structure looks pretty cool. Okay, it looks pretty cool. All right, so it usually follows price patterns. Okay, and when you look at the candles, okay, the candles will actually tell you exactly what is going on. All right, so for those of you that understand, candlesticks pattern and all that, you can see it always respects those things that you know about technical analysis. All right, about technical analysis. So if you're watching me on YouTube now, I want you to, probably if you're watching this on YouTube, you are likely watching a recorded version, okay, of the live stream. Okay, this is a live stream that is going live right now on OB Global, okay, OB Exchange. Okay, this is where I go live to teach, thousands of people, like almost every day, about crypto. And usually I focus on analysis. Okay, analysis. I tell you where to buy, where to exit your position. Okay, if you are buying for a long-term investment, I tell you the possible entry levels to buy. Okay, so that you don't end up buying the top, or something close to the top. All right. So there are aside giving you analysis, sometimes I go live, I give certain advices, certain tips and guides about trading crypto, about crypto investment. Okay, so these are things I actually focus on. Okay, when it comes to teaching stuff about crypto. Now, when I'm talking about Ziliqa, Ziliqa actually got my attention recently because they decided to launch their own EVM. Okay, Ziliqa is a blockchain on its own. Now, I don't know, the new trend in the blockchain industry is that everybody has discovered that it is not helpful to become an island. Okay, it is not helpful, it is no longer helpful to become an island. So virtually almost every project are trying to integrate Ethereum Virtual Machine into whatever they are doing. Okay, because Ethereum Virtual Machine is like an operating system, okay, that is becoming a standard. Okay, it is becoming a standard in the blockchain industry because there are lots and lots of developers on Ethereum that you can even imagine. Okay, everyone that wants to learn about blockchain programming, smart contract programming, their focus is on Ethereum. Their target is on Ethereum because that is by far the largest blockchain, the most used blockchain, in the world right now. And that is by virtue of market capitalization, Ethereum is the largest alternative currency in the world. Okay, is the largest. So there is a lot of attention on Ethereum because people know that it is helpful. Okay, like learning how to develop or how to build on other blockchains that is not Ethereum virtual machine or not Ethereum compatible. It's almost like a waste of time to them, to most developers or most aspiring developers. So you have to position yourself to where the talent is. Okay, let me give an example now. Ecosystem helps to determine the value of a blockchain. If you're trying to analyze the fundamentals of the blockchain, you have to look at the ecosystem. What are they building in the ecosystem? Okay, who is building in the ecosystem? How easy is it to build and deploy solution in that ecosystem? Okay, these and many more other factors are things that you have to look out for and you have to pay attention to. Okay, in your fundamental analysis. All right. So if you look at the Ethereum ecosystem, okay, in terms of NFT volume, it is Ethereum. Okay, in terms of TVL, total value locked, is on Ethereum. All right. In terms of different powerful dApps, okay, it's on Ethereum. To be honest with you, even some of the blockchains that we have today, they started out by building on Ethereum. Okay, I don't want to mention their names, but virtually many of them created their token first on Ethereum before they migrated to their own blockchain. Can you see what the logic is now? So when you look at Ziliqa now, Ziliqa has been on, they've been resting on their island for a while, and now I think they are kind of thinking in the right way that they are isolating themselves for far too long. Okay, and it's best for them now to integrate a Ethereum virtual machine so that people can interact with Ziliqa with the knowledge they have about Ethereum smart contracts. Okay, so and any solution that has been built on Ethereum can be deployed on the Ziliqa virtual machine. Okay, and in that sense, there's going to be more flow of talent into the ecosystem. Okay, and hopefully it will help them grow. Okay, so if you look at that recently, Filecoins recently integrated Ethereum. They integrated the Ethereum virtual machine. Okay, although they call their own, they refer to it as Filecoin virtual machine, but they are all based on Ethereum codes. All right. Then we have EOS recently they integrated Ethereum virtual machine. Okay, they call it EVM. Now, Zilliqa also, they are at the verge of actually integrating, an Ethereum virtual machine. Okay, so now we are waiting for Cardano and probably we are waiting for Solana. Because all of these guys, even though they start out to become a Ethereum killer, okay, they always start out to like say that, okay, they want to kill Ethereum. Okay, they want to become the next big thing after Ethereum. Okay, but in the essence of it, they do not actually kill Ethereum. They make Ethereum even stronger. Yeah, that's it. They make Ethereum what? Even stronger. All right, because people see when these blockchains are built, people see the more reason why they should even stick to Ethereum. Okay, why you should stick to Ethereum. This address pattern OX whatever that is being used by several blockchains today. It was developed by Ethereum. All right. So when you have Ethereum wallet address, you can interact with more than 60 other blockchains just by one Ethereum address. Okay, that is where the world is going to. And most of these blockchains, they cannot afford to be left behind. All right. So now you have a background of Zilliqa, okay, and what they are set out to do now. You have an idea, you have a clue. So if you're just joining us now, keep hitting the like button. Let us pump the likes to 5,000 before the end of this live stream. All right. Let us pump to 5,000 before the end of this live stream. And also, do not forget to follow me. Yeah, that's quite important. But don't forget to follow me. Let us hit 3,100 followers today. That is possible. You can do it. I will do so much in you guys. Okay, and you can do that for me. All right. So you can do that for me. Keep hitting it right now. Keep on hitting it. All right. Oh, I love that. I love that. So now, if you look at Ziliqa now, you can see some patterns. Okay, if we switch this to line charts, okay, you can see the double top right there. This is a double top. Okay, and this is a double bottom. Can you see? This is a double bottom chart right here. Okay, so and if you go here, you can see head and shoulder pattern right here. So and this it actually obeys price action generally. Yeah. So you can see there, you can see right here. So when you switch to line candle, okay, it gives you a better understanding of what the chart is saying. All right, what the chart is saying. So this was when Ziliqa proposed to launch. Okay, it was at this point that they proposed to launch, to integrate Ethereum virtual machine into the ecosystem and allow Ethereum developers or Ethereum dApps to migrate to their blockchain or integrate into their blockchain. Okay, so it was at this, it was accumulating for a while, then boom, it jumped up. Okay, at this point, from this point, for instance, it did how many percent? 2x. Okay, that is over 100% profit right there. Okay, ever since then, it's actually nosedived for a while. As you can see right here, nosedived for a while. Okay, then it formed an exhaustion candle at this point, then boom, it went up again. Okay, it went up again, and it had a pullback. Okay, this is a pullback. It had a pullback, then boom, it went up again. All right, because there's oxide again, boom, then it formed a double top here. Okay, meaning that the price needs to tank. So it needs to go down. All right. So, and at this level, if what you should pay attention to is that every time that it crosses the 200 MA, okay, it goes up. All right. When it crosses the 200 MB downward, it goes down. All right. And you can see all of these things are actually taking shape, at different levels on the chart, isn't it? So, and for a very long time, it stayed below. Sorry about that. For a very long time, it stayed below 200 moving average. Okay, and it's been nosediving consistently. So every pump here, every like 10%, 20% pump, it's an opportunity for you to short Ziliqa. Okay, and you're gonna keep making some quick profit from that. All right. Okay, so now you can see it's been going down and down. It's been really, for a very long time, Ziliqa has been bearish. Okay, so it's been bearish. Look at the trend. All right, look at the trend. Okay, it was only able to break that bearish structure. Probably when that was on January. Okay, 9th of January this year. It was able to break out of that bearish trend. All right, then to the point that it was able to break out of the 200 MA right there. Can you see that? It was able to break out of 200 MA right there. Okay, so it was bullish for a while, and it's having a sideways price action. A sideways price action. It goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. All right, that's what you're seeing right there. So now, by virtue of the Ethereum Virtual Machine they're about to launch or they are set to launch, okay, you would expect the price to actually react. Okay, so when you say like in crypto, when you say that you sell, buy the news and sell the rumor. Look at this chart. That's exactly what happened here. Okay, so let me go to CoinMarketCap to show you some things that you may be interested in. Okay, let me go to CoinMarketCap. So I want to search for Zilliqa. They have a very good volume to market cap ratio. Honestly, that is really it shows a lot of interest in Zilliqa right now. Okay, so and the market cap right now is not in $1 billion. Okay, so that's also another key point that you should pay attention to. Okay, so Zilliqa can easily move to 2 billion, 2.5 billion, and that would be a very massive profit for you right there. That is for those who would like to invest in the long term. So let me have a look at other details. It's among the top 100 coins, which is absolutely not bad if you ask me. Okay, um, I'd like to show something. No, I'd like to show something really quick. Let me go to their community on Twitter. Okay, this is their Twitter community. Okay, they have 457,000 followers. All right, and since June 2017, you can see these guys have been around for a very long time, right? So, April 28th, they talked about, look at this. The event coincided with the introduction of EVM compatibility to the Ziliqa mainnet, the start of a new era for our blockchain. All right, that was April 28th, isn't it? So let me go back to the charts. So on April 28th, what happened? Okay, let me mark it out on the chart. Okay, so look at this on April 28th, what happened? Okay, this is exactly what happened. At this level, they announced it. The moment they announced it, okay, the price closed for that day at this level, okay, and it's also open at this level, then it's moved up, okay. Because of that news, Zilliqa actually did 17%, almost 20%, just because of this announcement on Twitter, okay, on 28th. So meaning that a lot of people have been following this, but they've been paying attention to this, all right. So now, as you can see, SSI protocol, it says Tyron has made it possible to send Zilliqa directly from your SSS account to any EVM wallets, including MetaMask with keys and lights. That was a retweet 12 hours ago. Okay, and look at this. For those developers who are interested in Zilliqa EVM, here are things that can help you. For people who are interested in EVM, there are some, specifically wrote an exciting thread that could help developers, to even build faster on this platform. Okay, so you can see, excited to have Zilliqa join us for the first time. Okay, that is for these guys. So these guys are really active. They be tweeting, they tweet, and they also retweet. All right. So hello everyone. The mainnet upgrade has successfully been deployed, and EVM is now live on Zilliqa. Okay. The network is now processing transaction normally, and exchanges can resume Zilliqa deposits and withdrawals. All right. That was when they actually integrated the EVM on their blockchain. Okay, so you can see that was on 25th, right? 25th. What happened on the chart on 25th? Okay, what happened on 25th? Let me try and mark it out for you. On 25th, what did you see? Yeah, can you see that on the chart? So this is where they bought the news for amateur traders. Okay, the newbies who are looking forward to becoming an expert. So buy the rumor. Okay, you buy the rumor at this level. Okay, this is where you buy the rumor. Okay, let me clone this. Then you go here to sell the news. Okay, before the news actually becomes a big deal, you sell the news. Okay, then you do what? You keep the 20% profits. That's normal. Okay, this is where you buy the rumor, you sell the news. Okay, the news actually came out at this level. Okay, then you sell the news. And as you can see, okay, it's on the charts. Okay, it nosedived. Okay, and that helped us in completing, the double top that we're looking out for. Okay, the double top that we're looking out for. So this is the double top. Okay, double top is here. Can you see? Sometimes the edge might not be of equal length. It's not compulsory. Right, this is double top that we see here. Okay, and when you say double top like this, you can still open a short position. Okay, especially if you're looking for quick profit, like 5% profit. Okay, you can still open a short position and you're still going to be able to make some profit, because this leg is still going to go down a little bit. Okay, because if you can see, excuse me, if you can see, okay, it's not far. Let me, sorry about that. If you can see, this other leg is not so far from the base right here, isn't it? So your first short entry should be at the current price if you want to trade Ziliqa now. Okay, and your next short entry should be like 0.031. Okay, so in case of a short reversal, okay, you short that reversal also. Okay, then by doing that, you have actually been able to do DCA on your short position. Okay, Then by the time it goes down probably to this level, okay, this level, this is where you're looking at support level right here. Let me use an extended line. Okay, you're looking at historical support level here. Okay, so by the time it gets to this point, because you've done your short DCA, then you're gonna be able to make more profits. Okay, you're gonna be able to make more profits. So let's assume you want to short this with $1,000 for instance. So you open your first short entry with 500 here. Okay, then you have a sell limit order at this level at 0.31. Okay, then you open the second short right there, then short is downward. All right, short it downward. So that's it. Then you close your position right there. All right. So when you close your position right there, if the price is able to still break through this line, okay, it's able to break through this line, okay, then what you should do is to go right there and open a long position, a buy limit order. Okay, your buy limit order should be at this level. Okay, somewhere at this level. Let me use rectangle for that. Yeah, somewhere at this level. This is where you should have your buy limits. Okay, so that's a nice place to have. Yeah, let me clone this. Okay, this is a nice level to have your buy limit order. Okay, buy limit order should be here. All right, it should be here. So when you have a buy limit order here, let me change this color to let me make it green for visual for. Okay, let me make it green. Yeah, something like this. All right, so that is where your buy limit order should be. Okay, so on the chart you make your first short at the current market price. Okay, where is it? Let me clone this again. So the first short at the current market price, which is CMP. Okay, sell at CMP, which is the current market price. Okay, so then you DCA your short position here. Okay, so DCA your short position, your shorts with sell limit order. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Okay, so that is for those who are going to be scalping these and probably for swing traders. Okay, for swing traders. I hope this is making sense to you. All right, so I hope this is making sense to you. So if this is making sense to you, hit the like button. Okay, but before you hit the like button, look at the top of this live stream. You know, you see a follow button right there. Click that follow button and start following me right away. Okay, and start following me right away. Okay, so follow me now. Okay, follow me now, so you won't miss out on future technical analysis. Okay, yeah, so follow me now so you don't miss out of future technical analysis. All right, so all right, so now we'll be able to have an insight about the sell order. Okay, about the entry. Okay, about the entry. Then you also have an insight about your exits. Okay, I think that's really cool enough if you ask me. Okay, that is really cool enough if you ask me. All right, so now that okay, so now that you have an idea of the entry and the exit level. Okay, this is the exit level. Let me mark that also on the chart because I like to have a cleaner chart. Okay, how to have a cleaner I like to have a cleaner chart. So let me give you an exit level because that will be helpful to you. No, I don't want that. I love to have a cleaner view on trading view. So exit here. Okay, this is an exit point. Like, come on, guys. What other thing do you want? I'm here spoon feeding you guys. I'm literally spoon feeding you guys, man. Okay. So now I've talked about traders. Now let me now pay attention to investors. Some of you would like to buy this, keep it in your private wallet and invest for long term, isn't it? Or medium term. So for investor, this level should be your first buy limits. Yeah, this level should be your first buy order. Okay, for an investor. All right, so you make your first buy here. Okay, then you make your second buy, at 0.02. All right, at 0.02, because this is also another point of interest on the chart. Okay, so this is another point of interest on the charts. All right, so you have another buy limit order there. Okay, then your next buy should be what? Should be at this level. Okay, your next buy should be at this level. All right, so for investor, then whatever amount of Ziliqa you're going to buy there, okay, then you hold them, at least for a medium to long term. All right, from that long term. So you are holding that with the hope of what? With the hope of doing 5x or 10x. That is your goal. Okay, because if we switch to weekly time frame, okay, to have a better view of the chart, you can see the possible movements on Ziliqa. Okay, you can see the all-time high for Ziliqa was probably around 0.25. Okay, so let's assume that the all-time high is able to get to like 0.15. Then you've done 7.5x. Okay, if it should move to like 0.1, okay, that's 5x for you right there. Okay, so it looks really cool. Okay, it looks really cool, and those are the possible entry levels. Okay, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense to me personally. Now listen, guys. All of this I'm sharing with you. Okay, they are things. They are for educational purpose. Okay, not a financial advice or anything. Okay, it is just me, doing my thing right here to show you what I'm going to do. All right. So it's not something that you should take as a financial advice. Okay. So I'm not your financial advisor. Okay. Nobody is paying me to become their financial advisor. So you should just use your discretion. Okay. Trade your plan. Manage your risk. Properly. All right. So that's it. That's it. So, but that is the today's tech analysis. And price prediction on that. And usually we used to, I need to look at things that will invalidate this analysis. All right. But before I go into that, I'd like to invite you to the Crypto YouTube channel. Okay. Because once I'm done with this analysis now, I'm going to upload this video to YouTube. Okay. So all you have to do basically, to keep tab of what I'm doing. Okay. All you have to do basically is to search for Crypto Niche channel. Okay. All of you have a YouTube app on your phone. Okay, if you're Android user, you have YouTube on your phone. Okay, and you've probably been watching some videos on YouTube, all right, probably on trading and stuff like that. So now open that app on your phone now, or if you're on PC, go to youtube.com, paste it now, and hit it, search for Crypto YouTube channel on your phone. Okay, then you see this channel right here. Click on the channel icon, then subscribe to the channel, then turn on your notification bell. All right, so when you go to the channel, you see a bunch of videos that can help you to become a better trader. All right, so 2 days ago, 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 5 days ago, like I upload valuable content like almost every day of my life. Can you see it right here? So I talk about analysis, price prediction, project review, those, what I'm buying, what I'm selling. So this is why you need to go back to the channel, and subscribe and turn on your notification also. At the same time, if you're active on Telegram, okay, basically all you have to do is to pause whatever thing you are doing now, go to your Telegram app or your mobile phone and search for this search for at crypto niche, underscore. Okay, look at this underscore hang out. Okay, look at this crypto niche underscore hangout. So what you see right there, it's a public channel. Okay, it's a public channel. So when you search for it, it will come up in your search. Then just click on subscribe button and you are good to go. All right, you are good to go. So I dropped quite a number of information right here. My student performance, how they're able to perform so far. Those who I'm trading, those I'm training about how to trade. Okay, so you can see, votes, pools, some of my previous analysis, how they came to pass. We actually opened a long position for 5 coin right there. Okay, and the close position as 5.7. Okay, and that's a quick profit right there. Okay, this is my performance. So my trade performance. So you have a lot of stuff to gain by actually joining this community on Telegram. All right. Okay, so these are things you have to pay attention to. Okay, so now let me now check out things that could actually validate this analysis. So if you look at this, there is no food all right here. So let's search for ZIL. Let me use dollar sign. Okay, ZIL. Let's look at the top tweets. Okay, you're not ready for what's to come. Okay, finally breaking trend line, daily time frame, send forever. Okay, so what's this? Okay, ZIL, BEP20, ZIL, all of these things. Indian users can now buy ZIL direct into their wallet within 60 seconds. Okay, so look at this. So there is no food right now. There is no food about ZIL. So there is nothing that could actually invalidate this analysis yet. So it will likely play according to what we've analyzed on the chart, according to what you're seeing on the chart. All right. So we're not forcing the market to come in our direction. Okay. We're analyzing the market in such a way that it will come to our direction. That's exactly what we are doing. Okay. So guys, if you have any question, let me know in the live chat. The live chat box is available. Okay. And if you're watching this on YouTube, if you have any question about the analysis, you can let me know in the comment box. I'm always available. I'm always online. Okay, I'm always online to answer your questions. So leave me a comment on YouTube, and also if you're watching it live, or if you're watching me live on OB, so leave me a comment also on OB. Okay, don't forget to pump the likes to 1,000 this morning. Okay, pump it up to 1,000 this morning. Okay, that shows you are here, you are present, you are active, you are enjoying this conversation, you are enjoying this analysis. Okay, and you want more. Okay, you want more by encouraging me to do more. All right, so one of the ways to do that is to hit the follow button. Just hit that plus button at the top of this live stream. Okay, then we are on our way to 4,000 followers right there. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, I'm gonna be seeing you guys again. Enjoy the rest of your day. I love you all. Love you so much.